Struggling to choose between Dremio and Databricks for your data analytics? Let's break it down. Databricks is a unified analytics platform built on Apache Spark. It's a cloud-based solution designed for data engineering, machine learning, and business intelligence. With Delta Lake, it ensures reliable data processing with ACID transactions. Databricks shines in collaborative workspaces, supporting notebooks for data scientists and engineers to build ETL pipelines, real-time analytics, and AI models. It's ideal for complex, large-scale data workflows across AWS, Azure, and GCP. Dremio is a SQL lakehouse platform focused on interactive analytics and high-performance BL on data lakes. It eliminates traditional ETL pipelines by querying data directly from cloud storage like Amazon S3. Dremio's reflection feature accelerates queries, and its open architecture supports formats like Apache Iceberg. It's perfect for self-service analytics, offering an intuitive interface for business users and data analysts. So, how do they stack up? Databricks excels in machine learning, data engineering, and collaborative data science, but it can be complex and costly for smaller teams. Dremio is simpler, cost-effective, and optimized for BL and ad hoc querying, but it lacks Databricks' robust ML capabilities. Choose Databricks for AI-driven, large-scale projects. Go with Dremio for fast, self-service analytics with minimal data movement. That's it, guys. Databricks for machine learning and engineering, and Dremio for BL and simplicity. Pick what fits your needs and happy analyzing.